We're at the DEF CON 30 Cloud Village, where there's a CTF going on. There's constant talks going on right now, and there's so much to learn about cloud security.
Oh, yeah.
Now, can you tell me a little bit about the village, what you're doing here?
Sure, yeah. So right now, today, we've got two main aspects of it. We've got the presenters and the presentation, so all these great talks on AWS, GCP, and Azure-based security for the most part. And then we have a whole CTF section as well, where folks can actually sit down and work as teams, or they can actually have assistants, and try and hit the leaderboards up there that you might be able to get a quick look at that. And those are the two big things. We're packed though. There's so many people who are interested it's such a happening space right now, you know what I mean? It's real hot. But we have so many individuals that are coming and speaking today from 9, 10 in the morning all the way to 5 p.m. with workshops, the CTF. It's been a fun time so far.
Yeah, it's amazing to me that every one of these villages there's so much content going on. You get lost in the content the entire weekend and not waste your con. There's so much information to learn.
It's not just the Cloud Village too, right? It's all these villages. You've got so much to do if you're here at DEF CON.
No, one of the things I noticed at the CTF is it is cloud-based. Now we all joke, oh, well, cloud's just really someone else's computer. But within the CTF, what makes it different from the other CTFs happening around con?
Well, so the other CTFs, to clarify, there are flags that you're going to need to get. So it's very much in the same vein as the CTF that you'd expect elsewhere, but it's going to leverage cloud-based vulnerabilities. So it might be things like open permissions that exist for, S3 buckets or storage, or might be like insecure configurations, so you might need to go and leverage those. So it's very cloud-specific, where I think you might look at maybe in the more traditional DEF CON CTFs, there's probably a lot of binary hacking and things like getting around obfuscation and all that sort of stuff. You might not necessarily see that in the CTFs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, with that, if anyone wants to learn more about it, I'm guessing some of this content, if someone wants to learn more about the Cloud Village and the talks going on, where can they go? Is this information available online?
Yep, go to cloud-village.org and you can find all the information that you need there. CTF's also available there.
That's great. You're about to let a speaker know that they have to get off the stage. Again, these things have to be back to back. Thanks for sharing about the Cloud Village.
Sure.
Thanks for just running it and running this really great village. Can you tell us a little bit about the other runners of this village? Because again, to put something together this big, you need a lot of people.
Honestly, there's too many people to mention. I'm really thankful for everyone who came together and helped, but I think the most important folks are probably Jayesh, who's run the Cloud Village since 2019. He's worked really hard to make sure that this has worked as well as it has. And then there's Craig, who's working on the CTF, and all of the other folks that are on the CTF, speaker ops, social media, everything. I'm very appreciative of it. Yeah.
Thanks for watching, and as always, hack on!